Open the E-cover assembly. Always remove the battery if it is still inserted. Open the E-cover assembly. Always remove the battery if it is still inserted. Use the SRT6 to pry open the A-cover assembly. Do not shift the SRT6 along the sides, where the keys are located. Lift up the A-cover assembly. The A-cover decoration can be pushed out now without the risk of damaging the A-cover. Cover the window from inner side with a protective film. Release and remove the functional key mat. Ease out the microphone with the dental pick. Unscrew the 4 screws in the order shown. Remove all screws and discard them. Do not use them again. Carefully unlock both latches. Lift up the UI shield assembly. Cover the LCD module with a protective film. Nokia 5200 add-ons. After removing the screws, carefully disconnect the LCD module connector. Carefully lever out one LCD adapter with the SS93. Now the LCD module can be released from the UI shield. Carefully lever out one LCD adapter with the SS93. Now the LCD module can be released from the UI shield. Lever out the earpiece. Open the flex connector of the LCD module. Carefully lever up the TGUI module. This will disconnect the hidden B2B connector. To remove the side flex, both parts of the phone must be disassembled first. Start removing the connector of the side flex by lifting it up as shown first. Then carefully shift it with the SS93 as shown. After disassembling the upper part, the side flex can be removed easily. The disassembly of the upper part is now completed. Assembly. Place the side flex into its compartment. Now close the slide mechanism. Push the connector into position shown. Place the UI module exactly as shown. Check the positioning of the connector before continue. Push down the UI module while opening the slide mechanism. Check the position of the UI module again. Now close the hidden connector. Position the LCD module and close the connector. Insert the earpiece. Always fit a new adhesive when replacing the earpiece. Push it down evenly. Now place the UI shield over the assembly as shown. Mind that the two snaps are clicked into their places. Nokia 5200 add-ons. Peel up the protection film from the LCD and place it into the UI shield. Insert the first LCD adapter and push it into IST place. Mind the guide while pushing down evenly. Slightly shift down the LCD module as shown. Insert the opposite LCD adapter now. Mind the guide and push it down evenly. Now place the UI shield over the assembly as shown. Mind the guides. Close the LCD module connector. Insert the new screws. Set the correct torque. Apply the torque to all screws in the order shown. Insert the microphone. Note that the spring contacts are very delicate and can be bent easily. Fit the functional key mat. Click the snaps into their places. Do not forget removing the protective film before continue. Align the A-cover assembly and push it down evenly. Click all snaps into their places. Check the window for cleanness